Hey, what's up, guys? I'm an owner-operator. A lot of people have been asking, how much does an owner-operator make in a week? Well, I'm going to show you guys the bills of lading at the end of this video, so you know I'm telling you the truth. 1, 2. Let's count together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 6. Still not enough. I'm short 1,000 because I just bought new rims. Yes, I made $7,000. Of course, after fuel, I did not make $7,000. After tolls, I made, yes, 50 of these babies. $5,000. Going to Chicago and back. Yes, that is true. An owner-operator, when does it right, and I'm telling you guys to do it the right way. You buy your own truck. You don't never drive for per mile. Never per mile. Never drive per mile. Always drive, guys. Always drive percentage. I get 90% of the loads on the reefer. So, what you have to do is, I go to Chicago from Pennsylvania. I get about $1,000, $1,200 going up. That pays for the tolls and the fuel, and you get about $100, $200. The loads coming back, you get anywhere from $2,400 to $3,000. Yes, that's what you get. You do twice, you do 2 circles in a week, and yes, you will make, like I make, over $5,000 a week. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I will show you guys the rims right now. This is my International Pro Star, very low mileage, 273,000 miles. My title to the truck, as you can see, that's my title. No bank payment, and you can make over $5,000 a week just like I do. All you company guys, save every penny, buy your own truck, and welcome to the big league. In 3 years, you'll make $1 million. There's my new rims. That's my new rims, boys.